Hi, in front of me is LG Wing, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Start by opening Play Store, then type LED keyboard and download this app from this developer. Open it, tap Get Started and click OK. Then tap on the switcher next to LED keyboard. Click OK again, tap on Input Options and choose LED keyboard one more time. Over here you can pick keyboard that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to tap on it. Choose Download Theme and wait. Now when I close an ad and go back, I can see that my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!